Let's go right here. Oh yeah, you are low. Don't wear tight jeans. Note to self. Hey, what's up? Hey, be cool. Man, hell no, man. Nah. All right, bro. It's good. Take it. All right, it's cool. Hell no, man. Should knock your ass over. Really? 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 That did not just happen. Wow. Wow. Fucking wow. Wow. Dude. Dude. What the fuck? I don't know where the fuck I'm walking. I'm just fucking walking. That's the chick I just waved at. Hell nah. I think I see my bike. Oh shit, where's the key? Oh shit. Oh. I bet you that motherfucker ran out of gas. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. My heart's beating out of ass. Oh. He didn't even get the camera.
Comme vous avez pu le voir, cet abruti à scooter m'a littéralement foncé dessus. Il est rentré à pleine vitesse dans le rond-point. Il a voulu me doubler par la gauche pour prendre la direction en face. Et voilà le résultat, un accident à cause d'un scooteriste complètement fou. Alors, je tiens à préciser que cet accident s'est produit il y a plus d'un mois, mais à cause de mon inactivité sur YouTube.
I'm alright. Yo, I am so sorry. Yeah, I'm just a bit shaken up. Yeah, I got it on camera anyway. Yeah, my camera's flashing red in it.
Yeah, you got camera.
Good.
Yeah, he pulled straight out in front of you, mate.
Oh, I had some fucking dickhead pull out in front of Morrison's as well. I had to fucking slam my brakes on him as well. Oh. Yeah, I don't know. I really don't know.
Whoa!
Get off the bike, get off the bike.
One sec, wait.
Get off the bike. Police officers, mate, we'll ID you in a second.
Sorry, what?
Don't worry, mate.
Whoa.
Police officer.
What's going on?
Officer McCaffrey.
Oh, Jesus Christ, guys.
You've had several robberies in the area.
Huh?
Do you want a motorbike doing wheelies up and down the street?
Yeah, apologies about
Come
that.
off. You'll be searched on
Go on my
section 1
colleague's
pace.
side, alright, dude? I'll get your bike. Go on my colleague's side.
Okay.
Could be searched, okay?
Okay.
Place your hands here, drop your gloves.
Just drop them, dude.
Cheers, dude. What are you doing?
Right.
This is where I usually practice.
Right, dude. The reason why me and my colleague are chatting to you
Mm-hmm.
is because we've had lots of moped robberies today.
Yeah, I know that.
We had a report just from around the corner that there's a bike, free op, and
Yeah, I can
stealing
imagine.
phones, alright?
Mm-hmm.
Now, me and my colleague has searched you. Have you got anything on you that you shouldn't?
No.
Okay, dude.
Okay. You're entitled to a copy of the search, piece of jigs, piece of McCaffrey from
Cool.
Peckham Police Station, okay?
Okay.
Obviously we're searching in relation to articles involved in theft
Yep.
and also for stolen goods, okay?
Okay.
Appreciate it's a bit of a fight, I don't mean to jump at you, but unfortunately, as I'm sure you're aware, moped robberies have become a major problem in London. Literally at the end of the street here, we've just had 2 tourists robbed in the last half an hour.
Right.
It may well be you're just in the wrong place at the wrong time.
Mm-hmm.
But you've been arrested before, mate, yeah?
Once, but that was for riding my dad's bike a few years ago.
You covered on this bike, insurance?
Yeah.
You can't, even if, I know it's a quiet road, you still can't be doing wheelies
Okay.
it's a public road.
Would I be able to do them there behind that barrier?
If it's on a private road, that's still going to be technically a public road.
Right.
You need to find something that's not that public don't have access to.
Okay.
If you hit someone,
Yeah, that's why obviously I come here.
It's dangerous driving straight away.
Yeah,
You're not in
yeah.
control of the vehicle.
Yeah, I know.
You've no control of the steering and brake, etc, etc.
Mm-hmm.
So don't be doing it.
Cool. To be fair, I'm not dressed in tracksuits and on a scooter.
No, I appreciate that.
But
The
obviously
problem
I
is,
understand.
As we came past, I just saw the front of your bike.
Yeah.
And this is where the robbery happened like 25 minutes
Oh,
ago.
okay.
And we have to be a little bit dynamic and get
Yeah,
hold of
yeah,
you
yeah.
because, to be honest, we're not allowed to chase them.
Yeah, no,
we have to get you
I
off the bike
appreciate you
safely.
guys try and jump on them like this.
Exactly.
This is, yeah.
So, I know, I appreciate it's not fun to be on the receiving end of, but
Okay.
I'd rather do that than risk you riding off from me.
Mhm.
So, yeah. What did you get the 59 warning for before?
Had a passenger on the back, just going up and down a quiet road.
Dude, we could seize your bike.
Yeah, I know, that's why I come here, and hopefully I don't, because I come here, there's not really anywhere. I used to.
Listen. Okay.
We're just
I'm
saying
not going
we
to seize your
could.
bike today.
Cool.
On the
Thank you.
proviso, the following proviso. Number 1, go find somewhere that is not a public road to do.
Yeah,
your
you
wheelies.
should do it
I
at
appreciate
the.
you want to play on your bike. Here it does. I get it.
19,
This isn't the place to do it.
Cool.
Okay, so go find somewhere else to do it.
Alright.
Because otherwise we'll have to seize your bike. Do you know what I mean? If you get caught doing that,
Yeah.
it's not an option. You're going to lose your bike
Cool.
and get points potentially.
Hmm.
Have you got any ready?
Nope, not that I know of.
Well, you'd know about it if you had them.
Okay, yeah. Very good.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Just fail. Don't put us in a position where we have to take your bike away from you. Do it somewhere else. Private road.
It's alright.
The club up there, Tesco's.
Either join the club or something somewhere or...
like 7 times.
Yeah.